just one small thing. We usually say, and after that, instead of just after that here. Listen, I wake up at 7 in the morning, and after that, I drink coffee.
Ah, okay.
Try again.
I wake up at 7 in the morning, and after that, I drink coffee, and then I get ready for work.
Perfect. Good job. Jack, can I ask you a strange question?
That depends. Is it a dangerous question or just an English question?
Just an English one. Nothing scary. Tell me, how was your day today?
My day. Well, it was normal. Very normal. Maybe too normal?
That's perfect. A normal day is exactly what we need today.
Really? No airport, no emergency, no awkward phone call?
Not today. Today, we're going to practice something very simple and very useful, describing a normal day in English.
Oh, good. I survive normal days very well.
I know you do, and this is something people ask all the time. Friends, coworkers, neighbors. So, how is your day? What do you usually do in the morning? What does a normal day look like for you?
Yes, people ask me that, and my brain says I wake up and then chaos.
That's very honest, but today we'll organize that chaos, step by step. When we describe a normal day, we usually talk about things in time order. We often start with the morning, then the afternoon, and finally the evening. We use simple verbs like wake up, go, work, eat, and relax. No long stories, just clear, calm sentences.
That already sounds less scary.
Imagine this situation. You meet a friendly coworker at work. They smile and say, "Hey Jack, what's a normal day like for you?"
Ah, yes, the friendly question that makes me panic.
Today, you will not panic. We'll start with the morning. Let's begin gently. In the morning, people usually talk about waking up, getting ready, and leaving the house.
Okay, morning me is quiet, very quiet.
That's fine. English can be quiet too. Now try this sentence after me. I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Perfect. Now add one more idea. After you wake up, what do you do?
I drink coffee, a lot of coffee.
That sounds important. Try this. After that, I drink coffee.
After that, I drink coffee.
Great. Now connect them.
I wake up at 7 in the morning, and after that, I drink coffee. And then I get ready for work.
Excellent, Jack. Very clear.
I like this version of my morning. It sounds organized.
English has that effect sometimes. Let's add getting ready. You can say, then I get ready for work.
Then I get ready for work.
Nice. Now say the full morning together.
I wake up at 7 in the morning. After that, I drink coffee. And then I get ready for work.
Very good. Just one small thing. We usually say, and after that, instead of just after that here. Listen, I wake up at 7 in the morning, and after that, I drink coffee.
Ah, okay.
Try again.
I wake up at 7 in the morning, and after that, I drink coffee, and then I get ready for work.
Perfect. Good job.
My coffee is grammatically correct now.
Great. Now, after the morning, we move into the daytime, work or daily activities.
This is the long part of the day.
Yes, but we don't need many details. Simple sentences are enough. Imagine someone asks, "What do you do during the day?"
Okay.
A common answer starts like this. During the day, I work. You can add where or how.
During the day, I work in an office.
Very clear. Now add a simple action.
During the day, I work in an office and I answer emails.
That's excellent. You sound very professional.
I answer emails like a professional. sometimes slowly.
Slowly is fine. Now let's connect morning and daytime.
In the morning, I wake up at 7, and after that, I drink coffee and get ready for work. During the day, I work in an office and answer emails.
That was very smooth. Let's add lunch. You can say, at noon, I eat lunch.
At noon, I eat the lunch.
Almost perfect. We usually say eat lunch, not eat the lunch when we speak generally.
Got it.
Try again.
At noon, I eat lunch.
Perfect.
Lunch is happier without the.
Now comes my favorite part of the day to describe.
Let me guess. The end?
Exactly. The evening. In the evening, people often talk about going home, eating dinner, and relaxing.
That sounds like my personality.
Then you'll be great at this. Try this sentence. In the evening, I go home.
In the evening, I go home.
Good. Now add one relaxing activity.
In the evening, I go home and watch TV.
Very natural. You can also say, after dinner, I relax.
After dinner, I relax.
Excellent. Now connect the evening.
In the evening, I go home, watch TV, and after dinner, I relax.
That sounds calm and clear.
Yes, evening me is calm. Morning me is still asleep.
Now comes the fun part. Let's describe your entire normal day, from morning to evening.
Okay, I'm ready.
Take your time.
In the morning, I wake up at 7 in the morning, and after that, I drink coffee and get ready for work. During the day, I work in an office and answer emails, and at noon, I eat lunch. In the evening, I go home, watch TV, and after dinner, I relax.
Jack, that was excellent.
Really?
Yes, clear, natural, and easy to understand. This is exactly how people describe a normal day.
Wow, my day sounds successful.
And the best part? You can use this everywhere. At work, with friends, even with strangers.
Strangers, too?
Yes, someone might ask, so what do you usually do during the day?
And I will not say chaos.
Exactly. You'll say what you just practiced.
I like this version of me.
You earned it.
So next time, I will use this in real life?
Yes. Next time, you'll use these sentences with real people, real voices, and maybe a little surprise.
I feel excited and slightly nervous.
That's a good sign.
Okay, let's see what my normal day sounds like outside this room.
We'll be right there with you. Now it's time to use what you practiced. Just speak slowly and be yourself.
Okay, normal day, normal English. I can do this.
Look, your coworker is here. I'll stay close, but you've got this.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, Jack. Good morning.
Good morning, Emma.
You look very focused today. Everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. I'm just very awake today.
That's impressive for the morning. Did you already have coffee?
Oh, yes, I had coffee. Coffee is very important in my morning.
I completely understand that. So, how is your day going so far?
It's going well, thank you. My morning was pretty normal.
Normal as Bud. What do you usually do in the morning?
Well, in the morning, I wake up at 7, and after that, I drink coffee and get ready for work.
That sounds very organized.
Only in English. In real life, it feels faster.
I like that answer. Do you come to work by car or by bus?
I come by bus.
Nice. Do you listen to music on the bus or do you just relax?
I usually listen to music. After that, I check my phone and read messages.
That sounds like my morning too. When you arrive at work, what do you do first?
First, I turn on my computer. Then I check my emails.
Emails never sleep.
Exactly. During the day, I work in the office and answer emails. Sometimes I also prepare reports.
Reports. Yes, I know those. Do you like that part of your job?
It's okay. I like it more when I understand everything.
That makes sense. And what about lunch? Do you eat here or outside?
At noon, I eat lunch here most days. Sometimes I bring food from home.
Oh, really? What do you usually bring?
Usually something simple, rice, chicken, or pasta.
Sounds good. I often eat too fast at lunch.
Me too. I say I will eat slowly, but then I don't.
Same problem here. After lunch, is your afternoon busy?
Yes, the afternoon is usually busy. After lunch, I continue working and attend meetings.
Meetings can be long.
Yes, sometimes very long.
And when the workday ends, what do you do?
In the evening, I go home by bus. After that, I eat dinner.
Do you cook or do you order food?
I usually cook at home. I like simple meals.
That's nice. Cooking can be relaxing.
Yes, after dinner, I relax. I watch TV or listen to music.
That sounds like a good evening. Do you go to bed early?
I try to go to bed around 11, sometimes a little later.
That's reasonable. Your day sounds very balanced.
Really? I never thought about it like that.
Yes, morning, work, lunch, evening. It sounds very clear when you say it.
Thank you. I practiced a little.
Oh? With who?
With my friend Clara.
Well, it worked. You explain your routine very clearly.
I'm glad to hear that.
What about weekends? Are they different from your normal day?
Yes, they are different. On weekends, I wake up later.
That's the best part.
Yes. After that, I relax more and sometimes meet friends.
Nice. Do you like staying at home or do you prefer going out?
I like both. It depends on my energy.
That's very honest.
What about you, Emma? How does your normal day look?
Oh, good question. In the morning, I wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I like quiet mornings. After that, I exercise a little.
That sounds healthy.
Then I come to work, check emails, and start my tasks. Pretty similar to you, actually.
I see. So our days are not very different.
Exactly. Most normal days are quite similar.
That makes me feel more normal.
You are normal, Jack, just with a good sense of humor.
I try.
By the way, do you want to join us for lunch tomorrow? A few coworkers usually eat together.
Yes, I would like to join. That sounds good.
Great. We usually eat at 12:30.
Okay, I will be ready.
Perfect. Well, I should get back to work.
Sure. Have a good rest of the day.
You too, Jack.
Okay, I survived.
You did more than survive. You sounded natural and confident.
Really? I didn't feel lost.
Exactly. You described your day step by step, just like we practiced.
I even asked a question back.
And that's very important in real conversations.
I think my normal day just became useful.
It already was. Now you just know how to say it.
I like that.
Ready to go one step further next time?
Yes. But first, I think I need coffee.
Of course you do. Jack, before we finish, let's take a moment to remind our viewers of the useful words we used today.
Oh, I like this part. It helps everything stay in my head.
Perfect. And viewers, feel free to listen, repeat, or just relax and follow the conversation with us. Let's start gently. We talked a lot about the morning today.
Right. The morning. That's the first part of the day after you wake up.
Exactly. Morning means the early part of the day, usually from when you wake up until noon. For example, in the morning, I drink coffee and get ready for work.
I use that word every day. My morning starts only after coffee.
Speaking of that, we also used wake up.
Oh, yes. Wake up means to stop sleeping and start your day.
That's right. For example, I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Sometimes my alarm wakes me up, but my brain stays asleep.
That reminds me of another word we heard a lot, coffee.
Coffee, the reason many mornings exist.
True. Coffee is a hot drink that helps many people feel awake. For example, after I wake up, I drink coffee.
Without coffee, my normal day is very quiet.
Then you talked about how you go to work by bus.
Yes, a bus is a public vehicle that takes people around the city.
Exactly. For example, I go to work by bus.
And it gives me time to listen to music.
When you arrive, you mentioned working in an office.
Right. An office is a place where people work, usually at desks.
Perfect. For example, I work in an office during the day.
It sounds very serious when I say it like that.
And in that office, you do something very common, check emails.
Unfortunately, yes. Emails are messages you send and receive on a computer or phone.
Well said. For example, I check my emails in the morning.
Emails wake up earlier than I do.
You also mentioned reports?
Oh, yes, reports. A report is a written document with information about work.
Exactly. For example, sometimes I prepare reports in the afternoon.
That sentence already makes me a little tired.
Let's move forward in the day. At noon, you talked about lunch.
Lunch is my favorite meeting of the day.
Lunch is the meal you eat in the middle of the day. For example, at noon, I eat lunch at work.
And I always say I will eat slowly, but I don't.
After lunch, you said your day continues with meetings.
A meeting is a time when people talk together about work.
That's right. For example, in the afternoon, I attend meetings.
Some meetings are short, some feel very long.
Then the workday ends and we move into the evening.
I see. The evening is the part of the day after work, before bedtime.
Exactly. For example, in the evening, I go home and relax.
The best sentence of the day.
At home, you talked about dinner.
Dinner is the main meal you eat in the evening.
Perfect. For example, after work, I eat dinner at home.
Dinner tastes better when the day is finished.
And finally, one of my favorite words you used, relax.
I love that one. Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Exactly. For example, after dinner, I relax and watch TV.
That word feels good just to say.
We also talked a little about the weekend.
That's true. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday, when many people don't work.
Right. For example, on the weekend, I wake up later.
That sentence makes me smile every time.
Okay, viewers, let's take a calm moment and recap together. Today, we used words like morning, wake up, coffee, bus, office, emails, reports, lunch, meetings, evening, dinner, relax, and weekend.
Morning means the start of the day. Wake up is when you stop sleeping. Coffee, well, that one needs no explanation for me.
Bus is the car you take for the office. Office is the place where you work. Emails and reports are part of many jobs.
Lunch is the midday meal. Meetings are work discussions. Evening is when work ends and life begins.
Dinner is the evening meal, and relax is when you rest and feel calm.
And weekend, that's when the alarm clock loses its power.
Viewers, now it's your turn. Try writing 3 to 5 simple sentences about your normal day using these words.
For example, you can start with, in the morning, I wake up at, or in the evening, I relax and...
Exactly. Practice makes everything easier, and we really enjoy reading your comments.
If you enjoyed practicing English with us today, don't forget to subscribe.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson.
We'll continue building your English step by step with real situations.
And normal days that suddenly feel much easier to explain.
See you next time, viewers.
Take care and enjoy your normal day.